Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's make this amazing percentage infographic slide in PowerPoint in just 5 minutes. Plus you can download this free template from the link in the description below and it's completely free to use. So let's start. First thing you have to do is open up PowerPoint and go to from background and then change the background fill to a dark gray color. Close the from background and remove everything from the slide. Now insert a text box and what you're gonna write your title, and let's just increase its size and change its font as well and then give it a white fill. And so here you go. Yeah, so let's put it right on top. And the next thing we're going to do is insert another text box for the content text, which is just going to be one line long. So we're just going to put it right here and change its fill to white as well. Next, what we're going to do is go to shapes and insert this shape. And we're going to put it right down here and decrease its inner size. We're going to increase its size, increase its height along with its width. Here you go. Now let's put it right here and make its width equal to the height. So let's make it inside a bit more smaller. Now what you're gonna do is give it transparency of 100% and then duplicate it and then put it downwards and decrease its height and size on width according to the first one. You have to make it more smaller than the first one. Duplicate it again and you're gonna put it right here and decrease its size. So we're done with the shapes. Now what we're gonna do is just select the shape and duplicate it and put it on top of it. Then we're gonna change its fill to a solid color and remove its transparency. Similarly, we're going to duplicate the second shape, put it back onto the shape, and we're going to change its fill as well. So I'll just use a lighter shade for this sea green color on this one. So for this run shape, I'm going to just use white color because this looks nice. So close the format shape panel, and what you're going to do is insert a round corner rectangle right here, in which we're going to write the percentage and the content of our each of the bar. So what we're going to do is remove this outline and give it a fill of white and then increase its transparency. And we're going to put it right here and then next insert a text box in which we're going to write a text. Let's just put the percentages of all of these like the lines on these charts and bars. So we're just going to type other text in here. Or let's just decrease its size and then change its fill to white as well. So the next thing you're going to do is insert a straight line that connects the bar of the respective percentage along with the text. So let's connect this one with another straight line. So here you go. So the next thing you're going to do is just duplicate them and put them in each of the text. So here you go. We're gonna attach each one of the text with other ones. Next, what we're gonna do is just rotate them like this after duplicating. And first of all, let's just put them right here downwards. And we're gonna just duplicate the slide and then put these shapes back on their original position. So let's just give them more transition. So this is the final result of what we made in this video. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon.